y'all, this is Stacy with the Craft Room Diaries. Thanks for joining me today for this quick tutorial on how to print your journaling on your Project Life journal cards. I've seen a lot of folks use those super cute little typewriters. I just kind of feel like I have enough stuff. So I've been just typing my journaling on using my printer and my computer for a number of years. And today I'm going to show you how to do that. It's super easy. So I am using a Mac, but most word processing documents give you the option of page setup or something where you can designate. In my case, it's manage custom sizes. And all I do is change the size of the document to whatever card, the size of whatever card I'm going to be typing on. So in this case, it's 3x4. So as you can see now, I've got a little 3x4 card that I'm going to be working with. And the next thing I'm going to do is change the margins to 1/4, 0.25. So I reset all of those margins to 0.25. Okay, so that gives me lots of room to type in whatever size I want to type at. As you can see, my cursor's up at the top. Now, the card that I'm using does have a little element at the bottom of it. So just to kind of set up a place for it to type around, type wrap around that element, I'm going to put in a little text box right about the same size. So I kind of measured that card, and it was the text box was about half the size of the card, roughly about 1 inch. So I put that text box, I deleted the text that was in it, but the text box, as you can see, is still there. And then from there, all you do is just type in whatever your journaling needs to be. And when you print that, it is going to print around wherever that text box is. So it's pretty simple to do this. Thanks for visiting the Craft Room Diaries. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and share it with a scrappy friend. And if you're a new visitor to my channel, please consider subscribing. I hope you visit the Craft Room Diaries again soon. And I hope you're having a happy, scrappy day.